5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Made by Barton Beats.
Lifting off, I'm going higher and higher. Calling me on every beat, this shit murder for hire. Saying, Mr. Remember to kill him softly. Climbing up this hill, see demons can't get them off me. Yelling, damn, home. In high school, you was the man, home. Coolest nigga in the room, ain't got no fans, home. But that shit temporary. Yeah, I'm about my cream, just like Ben and Jerry's. If I get a meal, first trip is to the cemetery. Gabe throwing beats next to hustler in the dictionary. Yeah, that's a hood legend. This shit gospel, have your hands in the air like a good question. Yeah, all these hood lessons made it who I am. They turned out to be some good blessings. But yeah, then it's still stressing. 2020 feeling like '08 when it was recession. Been calling on God mixed with a little Texan. Still protesting the streets over oppression. And we still standing there. Standing here, yeah, I'm struggles living proof that JT middle son done grown up to be the truth. And life don't give a fuck about what you had to do to get to where they at. Chips on my shoulder, I got a few, they tryna knock them off.
Hey, what's up? Hello. So, good morning. You saw a little bit of my morning routine. You saw me waking up, saw me doing lots of stuff. So, this is going to be a busy Tuesday in my life. Tuesdays are usually the busiest days, as in like being outside of my house. I have class today. I'm going to the gym, going to go shopping for bundles. So, we're gonna head on to school right now. We're gonna put on a podcast actually, because I've been really into those.
We'll move on that.
Alright, we have the podcast up. It's Emma Chamberlain's Anything Goes, and this is the I Need to Leave LA podcast. I'm just gonna start driving to school, and then I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Hey, so it's kind of dark because I'm in a parking garage, but I'm here at school and I have 29 minutes until I have to go inside. So I wanted to put together some of my outlines for my style bundles that I have to shop for today. So let me just get it started and then I'll show you. Okay, so I didn't end up doing the outlines. I actually put together 2 TikToks because I haven't posted in like a day. So I just have some ready for whenever I get out of class. But yeah, I have 7 minutes to walk to class, so let's go. So, ow. Hey y'all. So, it's almost time for class. I'm putting on my shoes. I just posted my phone background on my Instagram story because I'm kind of proud of it. It's literally nothing special. I just saw somebody do like a composition notebook on TikTok, and they put like their name and then stay out, and I thought that was so cute. And then I also found like Halloween stickers, and I'm so excited for Halloween. So yeah, I'm gonna go into class. Probably not gonna take my camera because I'm a little bit shy. Yeah, so I'm gonna get my stuff together, and then we're gonna get to class. Hey y'all! Hey! So it's after class and I'm currently waiting on my sister. She was supposed to be here like 40 minutes ago. Yeah. The 2 thrift stores that I wanted to go to are now closed.
The next day.
This is gonna be a 2-day vlog because yesterday was kind of hectic. My monthly friend came and just ruined my whole entire day. So yeah, today we are going to continue this vlog because I'm going to be busy and I'm going to be doing lots of stuff. I'm going thrifting again today. Yeah, I just got ready. I'm waiting for my sister to get ready. We're gonna get breakfast and then we're gonna head out. But first I wanted to like pull all of the items that were sold on Sunday because I want to see like what I have left. So this is only some of the items. Some are like purses, or others are necklaces or stickers, or it's just in the wash because I just bought it the other day. But yeah, so I got all of these out and it just makes it easier to know like what I still have in stock. This is my thrifted outfit for today. I got this a while ago. It was a set. This is a different lace tank top that I really love. I have these khaki high-waisted pants. I mean, they're not too high-waisted, kind of like mid-rise. And yeah, I wanted to go for like a fall look, even though Florida doesn't really have fall. But yeah, so we're gonna go thrifting today, and I'm gonna take you guys along.